Hey guys, this is Ring Gaming from server 773, and today is the week 3 of season 2 Polar World, and faction awards are now unlocked. So you might be excited what is that, and you can see lots of chatter outside. Looks like they are dealing which faction to join. So yeah, everyone's focused on this because it's declare decides who declares war. Agreed allies in the same faction are key. Exactly, it's hope we get better faction. So let's check first rules from here. About the event, after the event starts, the president can choose the faction of war zone during the faction selection stage. Changing factions will trigger a cooldown each time. If your chosen faction is full, the president can use force join to add their war zone to that faction, displacing a random war zone to another faction. There is cooldown period between each use of force join. So this is event about factions, like grouping and selecting better or right war zone factions. So president can choose that. You can't interfere between that. You can have alliances meetings on discords or whatever. You are in contact with your top alliance leaders and our force. They will discuss what to choose with grouping and about all those decisions. So you, as a player, you don't have to do anything from here. Factions are divided into gendarmerie and rebels, each with 4 war zones. During the faction selection stage, the faction information of each war zone is hidden. During the faction announcement stage, this information becomes public. Okay, the warzone factions affect the following rare soil war event. Alliances from different factions can declare war on each other for rare soil. So this is going to lead to a rare soil war, because alliances from different factions now can declare war on each other's rare soil. If multiple alliances declare war on one alliance, the defending side can invite other alliances from the same faction that have not been declared war upon to assist in defense during a specific time phase. So, when you choose a faction or uh, get a faction of your 4 groups, 4 war zones or for alliance, whatever you can say, they can help you defending the rare soil wars, or your, when someone declare war on your alliance, defending side can invite other alliances. So that's also a good option here. During the faction selection stage, the president can choose to reveal identity, making their war zone information public early. Once revealed, you can't hide it again. So there are battle time given in here, like from 1 to 8 rounds from here. And as you can see, there are rebels and gendarmerie. First round will be like rebels will attack gendarmerie, then round 2 reverse, then gendarmerie again, then round 4 rebels will attack, like this, and these will go on up to 8 rounds. Okay, so as faction selection is will last 3 days, so you can see these are the rebel section in here, and these are the gendarmerie, and there is a force of join option given in here, and there is a join faction given in here. We can't do anything as a player. The permissions are only for president. So president only can select the war zones or factions for their war zone. Okay, so you don't have to do or stress out anything about this event until the president takes any actions. So this is the event, guys. I hope that this video explains something. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.